Alright guys, welcome to my very first how-to video. Just got this in the mail a few days ago. It's a Puig windshield. I'll open it up for you guys and we'll see what's inside. See a bunch of packing paper, I guess. More packing paper, more packing paper. And finally the windshield, or windscreen. And there it is. It's going on a 06 or an 07 R6, but the fitment's for an 06 or 07. I think 08 and newer, they're slightly different and whatnot. But alright, now time to install it. Alright, so tools needed, probably just a 10mm wrench. Optional, maybe just a 10mm ratchet. And the screwdriver. So installation should be a breeze. Alright, so for removal, looks like it's just these 4 plastic screws. And it looks like you have to remove these cap nuts right here. 2 there, and the other 2 on the other side. The ones that hold the mirror. Alright, so let's do this. When removing these are plastic, so just be really careful with them. So I'll try to strip out the head of the screws. Alrighty, now the other side. Alright guys, at this point it should just slide right out. There we go. Nice and easy guys, nice and easy. Alright, so now I'm just going to peel off the little film here. So the only thing I noticed is looks like I have to pull off the grommets off the original windscreen. These 4 right here. And then transfer them to the new one. So let's go ahead and do that. Or I'll go ahead and do that actually. Alright, so I already pulled one off. So now it's time to pull off the other 3. Just kind of gently pry them off. So far, so good. Oh shit. Awesome. Alright, so I managed to get one in. And what I did was just put some electrical tape. I don't know if you can see that. See if I can zoom in on that. Well, anyhow, what I did was put electric tape around the tip of the screwdriver. That way, in case I screw up while trying to push it in, I won't scratch up the windscreen. So now I'm just going to install the other three on there. Alrighty, and now it's time to install this bad boy. As you can see, it's this one's a dark smoke, so it's got a little bit of transparency there. You can see that shop towel in the back, or through it there, in the light. Anyhow, time to install. Alright, so installation's pretty much reverse order. Just slide the windscreen back in. Gotta line up the holes so the screws can go through. Alright, next, bolt on the mirrors back on. Alright, and now the other side. Alright, and like that, there we have it. All done now. Hope this helps out anyone who's trying to install a windscreen or change out their windscreen. So, there you go. Enjoy.